What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we got the Slay Glam box for the month of June. I'm so excited. This little eyeshadow palette I have been waiting so patiently for. I mean, look at how stunning. Unfortunately, when I got it, my silver was broken a little bit. I was able just to take a little container and repress it into the pan. So I still have it. It's still gorgeous. These are so smooth on application. They're absolutely stunning. This one here is called Platinum Romance. We have Golden Petals, and then we have Purple Passion. These three colors here are as equally stunning. I absolutely love them. We have Rose Armor, Beloved Bronze, and Diamond Love. So pretty. I mean, they're so sparkly. Camera does not do them justice. When you get this palette, you are gonna be in love. Okay, so from Italia Deluxe, we got this really pretty highlighter. This is the Diamond Glow highlighter. I got mine in shade 2 Princess Cut, and it is absolutely stunning. That is gonna be so pretty. It's gonna be a nice subtle highlight. Next up, we got this from Sachet brand. This is a liquid eyeshadow, and it is stunning. It reflects pink to gold. It's really pretty. That's the theme for this month, is metallics, so everything is going so well together. We're also getting a lip gloss from Illuminati. Now these can be a hit or a miss, but I love the shade of this. It matches that liquid eyeshadow like literally perfectly. I mean, Rasha always does such a great job at matching and coordinating the box every single month. So this is from Charmacy. Now this product is very interesting to me because this is a balm that's for your lips or for your cheeks. And it's one of those ones that like change with your pH. When you first get it out the jar, it is purple. And then when you start applying it and rubbing it in, it changes to your skin's pH. And I actually really love the color that this changes. Most of the time, I do not love pH changing products, but this one changes to a really pretty color. It's not just your normal pink that it changes to. It has like a berry tone, so I'm loving that. I'm gonna go ahead and use my ColourPop Rock Candy palette because I just think that this is gonna offer whatever other shades that I wanna use with that little eyeshadow palette. And I think I'm gonna use more of like these pinky purpley tones over here today. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna prime the lid with a little bit of primer from e.l.f. Of course, I'll have everything that I use in today's video listed below. I'm going to have Slay Glam's website listed below. I also have a discount code. So starting off in the ColourPop palette, going into this shade right here. This shade is called Lava You. So I'm just going to start putting this in the crease and I'm going to work it up to the brow. Going in with Rasha's palette, I'm going to start with Diamond Love first. I love this color. It's so pretty. We're going to start putting that on the inner corner of the lid. Oh my goodness, look at how pretty that is. I love it. Oh my goodness, it is so sparkly. That is, I'm in love. In love with this. I mean, are you kidding me? Okay, so using same brush, just gonna flip over to the other side, going into Purple Passion. I'm like, I couldn't pick which I loved more. I feel like on camera, you kind of can't tell the difference in color. I can tell the difference in person, but I'm not sure you're really picking that up on camera too much. My goodness, I literally love that so much. I am so happy with this eyeshadow palette. The quality of these eyeshadows is just so amazing. That is so pretty. I love it. Okay, so on the outer corner, I'm gonna go into this. Yeah, I'm gonna go into this shade here. And I'm just gonna start putting that on this outer V. Oh my gosh, isn't that so pretty? Oh, I love it. Same thing for this side, just blending it in the V. And then I'm just gonna take this brush and start blending right around into the crease above that shimmer shade a little, just to get everything nice and blended so we don't have any harsh lines. Just going back in with the very first shade one more time. So now what I'm gonna do with this liquid eyeshadow is I think I'm gonna use this for the brow bone. So I'm going to put a little bit on the back of my hand. Taking a small little brush, just going to pick some up on a brush and use that as my brow bone highlight. Oh yes, that is pretty. Then I'll go back in with that very first brush and just blend out a little bit just so we don't have any harsh lines. I am so happy right now. It looks so pretty. I'm going to add in a little bit of black eyeliner from Essence. I am going to go ahead and clean up with a makeup wipe. Now I'm just applying a little bit of my Morphe foundation. I love this foundation. It's one of my favorites. I've been obsessed with it. For cream bronzer, I'm just going to be using this one from Patrick Ta today. I love this duo. So for blush, I'm going to go in and use this from Charmacy. I'm just going to take my blush brush and tap in here and then apply it to the cheeks with my brush. I mean, ooh, that's pretty, and it is pigmented, okay? You don't have to tap in there much. That is beautiful though. I was worried it was going to lift my foundation, but it's not. It's applying so well. It's a really pretty berry tone. This one is really pretty. I like that a lot. I'm just going to go in with my Fenty concealer because I can't get enough of this concealer. It's my favorite concealer to use always. So this is what it's looking like after I got my concealer all blended out, and I think it's looking so pretty as blush. I absolutely love that. I think it's so pretty. It doesn't add any sparkle. It has like a very little bit of sparkle to it. Again, it's like super fine sparkle. And now I'm just going to set under the eye with my Morphe powder. This is in the shade Brightening Pink. I'm just using the powder bronzer out of the Patrick Ta duo. For blush, I'm just going to use this one from Natasha Denona. I just think that'll top this very well. Yeah, I love that. So pretty. I think this highlighter is going to go so pretty with the blush too. I cannot wait to try this highlighter. If you know me, you know I love highlighters. So I'm just going to start applying. Ooh. And of course I'm going to build it up because I like a more blinding highlighter. That is so pretty. I love that. That looks so beautiful. I wasn't sure if I was gonna love this highlighter because you know I love more of a blinding highlight, but I think this one is gorgeous and it builds up so nicely. It's not a chunky glitter, it's very fine, so it doesn't emphasize your texture too much. I love that. So pretty. Of course, run some down the nose. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in and finish the lower lash line, going in with that dark brown. Just gonna run that underneath the lower lash line. So again, I'm just gonna take a little bit of this liquid eyeshadow, put it on the back of my hand. I'm going to pick it up with the brush and I'm going to use that on the inner corner. I just think that'll tie it together so well. Ooh, I love this. So pretty. I'm not having an issue with it blending out, so that's really nice too. I'm just gonna curl my lashes really quickly. And then I'm gonna use some of my Essence Lash Without Limits mascara. Okay, so last but not least, I'm gonna go in and line my lips. I'm gonna use the Essence 8-Hour Lip Liner. And then I'm gonna top it with the Illuminati Lip Gloss. I love this color. I love it. I am in love with this eyeshadow look. I think it is so pretty. 10 out of 10 this month with this eyeshadow palette. I mean, honestly, it's so good. This is like my favorite eye look I've done in a minute. So happy about this eyeshadow palette. Definitely coming back and doing more looks with this eyeshadow palette for sure. I love the lip gloss. I think it's absolutely so pretty. It matches everything so well. The liquid eyeshadow, absolutely love it. The highlighter is stunning. And I love this. I think it is so pretty. It gives you such a pretty color to the cheek. But as always, let me know what you think down in the comment section. I love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!